Alright guys, time to shake down the NSX after the mods I put on. We're here at Sonoma Raceway with Lightspeed track events, and we've got the JDM short gears, the Type R final drive, the Type R LSD upgrade. Those are the three things I've added to the car. Shout out to Trackspec and to ATR Racing for sourcing the parts all the way over from Austria. Still have the Öhlins DFV suspension from Sakebomb Garage, the AP Racing front big brake kit, custom Sakebomb rear brakes, Pride V2 RFL exhaust. That's pretty much it. And thankfully we have this Defi ZD gauge, which the previous owner installed behind the stock radio screen, and that gives us oil temp, water temp, oil pressure, and fuel pressure. So I'm gonna cap myself at about 80% today in terms of how hard I push. No ABS right now because the stock ABS pump is having issues. No traction control either, so it's going to be interesting braking for corners. Have to be really smooth and gradual and early on the brakes to avoid lockup. Sonoma Raceway is a very unforgiving track, so we're going to take it a little easy. Really just want to get a feel for how these mods feel now.
this car is so stressful. There's like a mental block that I just can't quite overcome. Every corner I'm way overslowing, even though the car can enter much quicker and I can get on the gas much earlier. I just can't allow myself to do it. Also, the car has a couple of problems. The steering is vibrating under braking. There's a little bit of a transmission grind into second and fourth gears sometimes if I try to shift too quickly. Not having ABS is still just as much of a challenge as ever. I'm locking up the brakes, going into the carousel. The short gears feel great. The Type R LSD feels great. Lots more traction than before, but I'm not even getting close to the limits of the car. I think this is just further proof that this is not going to be a track car for me, only occasionally.
Went from the fastest car like on the planet now, and then go into like 2 cars from the 90s.
Funnest cars, you know?
Yeah, it should be sick though.
Alright, bro, have fun.
My head's hitting the roof.
Is it?
Does it not go down?
Can you lean back?
This thing's so fucking cool.
Yep. Yep.